I know many people who've come here today have experienced the challenge of drainage that we're facing in Nairobi today. A lot of our roads are flooded, a lot of our highways are flooded because of a number of things. Number one, a lot of illegal dumping has been going on in the city. Number two, Your Excellency, I know some of the works are going on. We have started with Kenha and Kura. We've gotten a contractor on Uhuru Highway and Wayaki Way to finish the work. Because when they did the expressway, ni kama walifikiria watu wa juu peke yao, watu wa chini wakasaulika. So our teams are going down the county, sorting out that challenge of drainage, but we have agreed with the Director General of NEMA. Nairobi is the environment capital of the world. We host UNEP. Paper bags that are plastic and bottles had been banned, but they have come back. In a week, we are going to go into another operation to make sure that plastic paper bags that had been banned, because they are the ones clogging our drainage, are no longer in our markets, are no longer in our supermarkets, because we must keep our city clean. I want to thank you because we've been able now, and towards the end of this week, tunaandika vijana 3,500 ambao watakuja kusaidia kufagia Nairobi na kusafisha. Wale wafanyikazi ambao walikuwa wanafanya hiyo kazi tukiwa watoto ndio bado wanafanya leo. Wamekuwa wachache na wamezeeka. So wiki hii ikienda kuisha, vijana 3,500 na kina mama wataandikwa kazi Nairobi hii, watusaidie na kazi hiyo.